So, David and Esther took off to frolic, I guess. But no more Bilsteins, or at least the B8s. Or it's been like a couple months since I worked on Porsches for a living, so I kind of forget the lingo. But I think those are B8s. But we're changing them out for these B16 B8s coilovers. That didn't sound right, but we're just gonna leave it in, I guess. Anywho, montage? Say hi.
Hello.
Why are you doing this to me?
Because I like giving you pain.
wait. So montage sucks. Fronts are done. We're about to go down and set his front right height, and then the backs. You should have gotten end links now.
I'm gonna buy the $800 end links.
But why? Godspeed's a thing.
I would never buy Godspeed.
You want to buy some max speeding rods instead?
No.
Are you sure? You could use a code max speeding moment, aka they broke on you, and get a full refund. I definitely don't like it. But this is what peak Porsche performance height looks like. Fucking monster truck gap over here.
Indian.
Two BMWs and two Porsches. Oh, he's fucking over there.
Two Porsches right there.
Bike!
Bike.
Bike!
Bike.
Marco!
Bike. Bike. That's hard. What's up?
Took the brakes?
Yeah. Fuck. Oh, fuck yeah, the brakes are close.
Wait, did you just grab third?
Yeah.
Okay, forget how long these goddamn gears are. I hope so.
Flout corner, right? Is that what it's called?
Oh.
Alright, we're doing some things. Okay.
Hey man, you know I love my shit boxes.
I know.
I really need to sort the bag.
I need one of these.
I'm telling you, dude. And then
It's fine. It's fine. We're good.
you got this.
It's over 3,000 RPM. We're good. These tires are actually holding up. So is their brakes.
I honestly don't know what brakes I have. They came with the car. You can't see this, but this man is disappointed in me right now. It's also caught air twice at GMR now.
I believe it. This brings me back 12, 13 years ago in our shit boxes.
I can tell by the smile on your face.
It's so shitty. It's so good. It's so shitty, but so good. Like, I can't be disappointed because I'm having so much
It's too
fun.
comically hilarious.
Car's fucking like, help me! This is too good. I love this. I'm gonna save some brakes for dead ends because I don't know how your car is. Little brick bolts. Dude, this really brings back the days of just all season, shitty fucking tires.
Nothing but vibes, dude.
Nothing but having fun. Dude. I got a shit-eating grin on my face right now. It's so good. It's too good, dude. I can't.